Hello guys, this is Ken from Tanfon. I'm currently in Nagoya, a micro power plant in charge with solar panel, and we have installed more than one piece of solar panel in this power plant. So each solar power panel is 600. That means we have total 600 kilowatt with solar. And also on my right hand side, we have installed 4 pieces container, and each container we are able to output 100 kilowatt and 200 kilowatt hour capacity. So that means, and also we have able to output 400 kilowatt with 800 kilowatt hour storage capacity. And also we have the backup on the back, which is 250 kilowatt diesel generator. So when the weather is not good and we are not have enough power stored in the battery, so we will start the generator for backup. So here's the power plant that we have. If you're interested with this project, please contact us. Thank you.